This video, I'm going to show you how to pin comments on Instagram. Basically, this is one of the easiest thing that we can do on our Instagram account. So first is to open your Instagram application, and let's go open our profile page or setting. Now here I have a picture here that people commented. Now let's go to the comment section. Now for us to pin that, we can now start pinning up to 3 comments at the top of your post. So you can swipe left and just tap on pin, just like this one. Swipe left and you can pin, or you can delete or report that specific comment. So you can pin your favorite post. You can pin up to 3 comments to show them at the top of your post. So it will give you also a notification that your comment has been pinned by this person. So that's basically how to do pinning your comments or the others' comments on your post. If you have questions, you can drop it down below. And don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.